property is perfectly set up to raise goats or sheep, or maybe even alpacas. Perfectly maintained, the luscious grass field creates ideal conditions to run a hobby farm. Professionally built pens and waterers are ready to welcome the animals of your choice. How about raising your own chickens and have fresh eggs for breakfast every morning? You can do it here too. This sturdy and very well-kept chicken coop provides good shelter and enough room for its inhabitants. Do you have a green thumb? Or have you ever dreamt about having your own fresh vegetables straight from your garden? Great news! This property offers a perfect setup for gardening with the raised garden beds and full sun exposure, sheltered by the house. But there is more, the greenhouse to start your gardening season early. There is plenty of outbuilding space for humans as well. Check out this cozy workshop with a guest lounge. Imagine the beautiful evenings with friends and family by the fire in the wood stove. But there is a very special feature that I cannot wait to share with you. Just a short walk away from your doorstep is a little paradise, a little pond, or how I would prefer to call it, a bird sanctuary. Let's take a moment and listen to the birds. Incredible, eh? At the end of the day, enjoying the sun, working in the garden, tending to your animals, you have this wonderful home to come back to for the night. Let's take a tour of your new future house.